Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the menu language on Nissan Qashqai in here to another language. I had a customer who asked me to change it to Portuguese, and I'm going to show you how I did that. It's slightly different than my previous videos over the Nissan Qashqai, about the Nissan Qashqai. That was 2014 model. This is a 2001 model, 11 model. So this is a bit different, and that's why I'm making my video over it. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel. It's Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. Give us support by liking our videos. If you don't like my videos, let me know why you don't like my videos, so I can improve myself and to help each other for the upcoming videos. Okay, let's start with this one. First of all, the first step is turning the ignition on. Once you are here, we're gonna use the right button over here. Yes, press it till you reach settings. Once you hit settings, press and hold it, and then this sub menu appears. Then we're gonna go by turning on this button to language. Once you hit that, we're gonna search for Portuguese because that's what he wanted. Once you hit this, press it once, and then it goes to Portuguese. That's how you change the language. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Did you enjoy and didn't you subscribe yet? Subscribe to my videos, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe. Bye bye.